I'm sharing with you today a Valentine Caddy swap hosted on Instagram by Memory Ducks Obsessed. And we were to do a Valentine's Caddy. And first I'll go over the Caddy. And this paper is Cupid & Co. and it was a digital download, and I printed and used that. I have gold feet on the buttons on the bottom. On the front here I have some organza trim, black sequins, a white bow, a center. I also made a dangle. And there's a resin heart, one of these clear glass balls filled with some pink gems, a small tassel, and a love charm that I made with some beads and some rondelles. And on the side, there's pockets all the way around. And in the side pocket here, there's something in the side pocket and one on this side. The others are empty for now. I'm going to show you the contents from one that I have not loaded up yet. So here we go. Inside the Caddy, we were to make 4 rosettes. And this is the Cupid & Co. paper that I printed on some heavy vellum. So they're quite stiff. They're a good weight. This vellum here was from Hobby Lobby, and this was just some plain red. And on one side I did a glitter heart, and the other I did a circle, depending on what they wanted to use them for. And included in there too, I made some flare buttons. These are 1 inch, and I again used the Cupid & Co. elements and sized them down to work for buttons. So I hope they like them too. And these are flat back on the back, so they can be used as embellishments. And I'm gifting a baggie of these little resin plastic heart embellishments. We were to include 4 bows, and I made these out of the Hobby Lobby vinyl, glitter vinyl. And I put two centers on the large bows and left the small ones plain. So I hope they like those too. Then we were to make a Memory Ducks, and I made mine in the shaker from the Scrap Diva Designs. I have some foam flowers and a acrylic heart. I have a die cut and a plastic lips. Inside is just a collection of clay bits and sequins and whatnot. On the back I put my die cut with my bean. And to hold that, I made everybody a resin holder. And see if I can get it in frame enough to show you how that goes. And you can put anything on here, really, a card, a photograph. But I put my used it to hold my Memory Ducks, and then I just rotate them out. And this will be coming flat. It just slides together, and everybody will get one of those, and it's in the side pocket. And what else did I include? I included this little plastic heart full of little flat back centers. We were to make a sequin mix, and I have them in these little acrylic diamonds. And then inside, if I can do this without spilling it all over, is the mix that was inside the shaker. You can see a little bit better what's in there. And then we were to include 10 die cuts, and because I'm really not a die cut person, I like to make resin. So I made resin buttons for everyone. And then I made this little container, and this is held together with Velcro dot. And then inside the buttons, there's an assortment of pink and red glitter buttons in little sizes. And there's a bunch of them in there. I fit as many as I could get into the box. So that's my die cuts, if you will. And that's what I'm sending to, it's a group swap, to whoever gets mine. I hope they enjoy it. I enjoyed making it. And also, I packaged everything in here, and there's a sweet treat also. And I made I housed the memory decks in a Valentine embossed bag. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.